when the bass gets bumpy. Welcome to another Culture episode 2. Baking cupcakes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's wash our hands now.
Yeah, so sad. Out of 600. I need a bowl.
Boom.
Kanina ka pa.
Pero may stuff yun sa inside.
No. Intay? Sayawit. I don't know.
Okay.
Yan ka na pala.
Where's this?
Yan, matatuwi. Gets comfort up in the club. Oh, another shot.
Show me some love. I wanna get the party going. Making videos. You know that.
Alam mo, kahapon, puro siya ano,
Oh.
oh, the butter.
Switching the camera here. Whoa! No do not sneeze.
Skibidi toilet.
Ayan.
That wasn't an apple sneeze. That was such a...
Not enough.
Oh,
wow!
so random.
Go, Lolo!
He's making his red.
Structure?
Yeah.
He needs it to remember us.
Who are you?
Who are you? Why are you in my house?
Making it right.
Baby, Colin.
Okay, your phone.
Ako sa powder.
Isa ko nga yan.
Then check if I have.
Why is Coco Powder so velvety? What the heck? What's that? Do you like trust it?
No.
They shifted it. We did it.
That's alright.
There's a
Baking
whisk.
because
Oh,
baking because jumping is wrong.
me. Ayan na naman siya!
This sounds like a cynical song.
Oh, you should do the ano, yung...
Tap dancing.
Yung...
May nahulog. When the
Guilty
baby-
pleasure, the guilty... 3/4 cup evaporate. Where's the evaporating girl?
Yes.
This.
Do you know how to open that?
Why did you do it like that?
Kanina, Kendra was caressing the floor. Now you're doing that to the can.
How do I open it?
Ew.
Don't stab my face.
Wait, careful.
Oh.
Something is happening. It's not going around.
You need to ano muna sa ano yung ganito, you need to make it puncture first.
Oh.
The blade dito sa then you start.
Oh.
I think kaya niyo yan.
Okay, thank you.
Hold and then
Wow.
really tight. As in,
Baby
hold it
steps.
really tight this one.
Wait lang.
Baby steps.
There you go.
Whoa.
Good job.
Wow. We're so proud of you, Sam. Our staff is talking here.
You're all sick. Tapi talaga nanonood ko.
Uy, that made ano ha. It might fly.
Do I need to open it?
Uy, yung thumb mo, yung thumb mo.
Not really.
Okay na yan?
Yeah, basta maano siya.
So,
ma-pour.
3
Do it the same. Do it the same.
3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. It's here. Here.
Oo eh.
Here.
Okay.
Where's my phone?
Oh, it's the LG knocking fridge.
I guess. Wait lang. Automatic kasi yan. Automatic.
Wow, me.
Automatic yan. This is messy, guys. How much did you pay for that?
Oh, we have that same ice maker.
Do I?
Oh, it's eggs.
Do you pour it now?
1/2 tablespoon of vinegar.
It's pretty, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Don't just say.
Ready?
Ready?
Hey,
Yes.
ikaw why you're stealing his ambaga? You're so pabida.
Here.
Pabida. Yeah, milk.
Wow.
Ang tapang na ako.
Ang tapang ngayon. Wait.
I don't smell anything.
You will wash
It says set aside.
Set aside. Put in
It smells like sap. Real.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ang tapang na ako.
Another bowl.
Another bowl. We need a big one. A big bowl. Oh, you're.
You're my view.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Wait, huh?
Oh, well, they taste the same anyway.
Open your
What the heck?
Ayan.
It just says raw.
Problem.
It doesn't say anything.
Why is
Okay, so yeah, whatever. Let's go.
no attachments?
Need to in the passenger seat.
You're gonna let them know.
You put egg.
No egg. I mean, sugar, white sugar and brown sugar taste the same naman. So,
They're both sugar.
yeah. Okay, let me do the job. Save me. Sugar.
Sorry. It's a...
Okay.
You dropped the sugar.
Actually,
You would
ready?
still make a
1, 2, 3.
They look the same. I can't tell the difference.
Yeah. Yeah, it has like some specks of white. Ew. Okay, next up.
2 large eggs.
Okay, who's gonna do the eggs?
I wanna do the egg.
Who's egg?
Okay, guys.
I thought it was
Do you know how to crack an egg?
Yes,
Are you underestimating her?
Yeah. Oh!
Why do you laugh like that? Why do you laugh like that?
It smells so good. Why did you smell like that?
Why do you laugh like that?
Smell the chicken. It smells so good.
Wait! I thought you said muscles good.
Oh!
I was like, muscles?
Are we gonna put frosting too?
Yeah.
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 Oh, I can imitate it perfectly. Yeah. I know. I was like the.
holy. Okay na.
Wait, I'm gonna look at
And
it
then
now.
we add the buttermilk.
Okay, we mix.
Wait, I'm gonna check.
Mix. Antay muna!
Buttermilk. 1
Hot
cup
water.
of hot water.
I.
Flow with the flow. Drink it. Drink it.
The pattern. The pattern.
Add the dry ingredients. Yeah. Wait, but don't mix it with the whisk. Okay, go. You're not over it.
Search up manhwa recommendations there. And then those suddenly started popping up.
Can I see it? It's okay, there'll be a better snack.
You know, I don't know why they're bad. I don't know why they're bad.